Hi, and I want to let you know that you are studying class 10th maths wrong. Now, why am I saying this? Because the usual pattern that you follow is सबसे पहले तुम कोई भी one shot देख लोगे, उसके बाद you just pick up your NCERT and कोई भी एक दो question that you have already solved, you just solve them and think कि हाँ I'm confident enough. Most students do this, but you do not have to follow this pattern if you are aiming to score 100 in your board exams. Hi, I'm Avika. I scored 98.4% in my class 10 CBSE board exams. I unfortunately scored 97 out of 100 in maths because I exchanged the answers of some MCQs, and though they were right. So 98 out of 100 in standard maths at my school. I gave one pre-board. So without any further ado, let's begin today's video. First of all, how do we actually know and analyze our mistakes so that तुम्हें ये तो पता हो कि you are studying maths wrong? When you're watching a one shot, you do not have to watch it for the sake of completing या formality के लिए कि यार ये तो complete करना ही है. Watch it to understand the chapter. Now what I mean by understanding is understand the concept, applying the formula, and अच्छे से stepwise explanation along with a reasoning of why the diagram is like this, why you have used the certain formula, why certain values you have chosen like that. All that you have to keep in mind. Okay. Teacher solves a question in that lecture, you have to solve it by yourself too. So you know कि question कैसे solve करा. After that, get your maths NCERT. It would prefer to go for the old NCERT. And if you do not have it, you can get free PDFs online. If you also have the new NCERT, no problem at all. When you start solving your NCERT, the first step would be to read your NCERT. Yes, I'm talking about maths. Read your NCERT. There are some factors, some points, some features and application based questions that are mentioned in the NCERT theory part. So read that also. Secondly, which is solving every damn question along with examples. You skip examples a lot thinking कि example से आता नहीं है boards में, but boards में सब आता है. CBSE is going to ask you those questions. So definitely practice your examples because they are really important. Must know कि examples कितनी बार PYQs में आते हैं, and yes, they do have a great probability to come again also. Skipping high weightage chapters. Right now, this high weightage chapters that I can tell you is real number, polynomials, pair of linear equations, AP, surface area and volume, statistics, probability. All these chapters are really scoring. And if you think trigonometry is hard for you, watch a good lecture of one shot from any of the teachers that you find are good. I like Ritik sir, you can go for him. Now, after watching the lecture, revise everything that you learn in your mind. And if you get stuck somewhere, study that topic again quickly. This is how you come understand a chapter and do a proper revision of it at the same time. And this causes your brain to absorb that knowledge really well. Like a mistake that you're doing is skipping your NCERT exemplar, especially the MCQs. MCQs are really well in that book. So if you are a basic student or a standard math student, you must solve them. If you have standard maths, also go for those questions later on for 2 marks, 3 marks, section B and C of the NCERT exemplar. But if you're a basic student, it's preferred to just solve the MCQs. You'll be fine after that. Fourth, which is solving questions from a refresher. Now, if you're rushing behind RS or RD right now, then do not do it. Rather than solving the entire book, it would be preferable to solve 2 to 3 questions from each exercise so you get to know about the pattern of questions in those books and also the examples in those books. Free PDF you're going to get in the description. Fifth, which is formula book. Now, right now, some mistakes that you are doing, one of them is not making a formula book. Why is it important? Last minute revision ke liye, you need to quickly just go through those pages and your brain is going to have the image in your mind, and during your exams you can quickly just take a peek through those images ki theek hai, I saw it, it was below that figure, all these things. Eventually a formula book is going to be really helpful for you for quick revision, for strategic planning and effective studying. Make one for yourself if you think so. Notes along with formula book in the description. Next, which is not analyzing your mistakes. Now, whatever exams you have given, pre-boards, half-yearly, PTs, analyze your mistakes and then categorize it. Was it a conceptual mistake? Was it a mistake in the steps? Was it a formula-based mistake? Whatever the mistake was, keep that in mind or write it somewhere also that is more better or preferable. And then just before your examination, take a look at it. Sixth, which is PYQs and SQPs. Many of you skip or think that you're going to do the PYQs and SQPs at the end, but once you complete your syllabus, start solving PYQs and SQPs. This will really enhance and boost your preparation, and you are going to guarantee or lock in your 100 marks. Now, some pro tips for you for answer presentation. Basically, whenever you answer question, first of all, अच्छे से लिखना कौन सा वाला आंसर कर रहे हो, and after that, given to prove solution, these 3 things you have to right there. Given all the data it is given in the question, to prove or to find whatever you have to find, and solution, then your entire solution. Put the formula and the final answer in a box, and also when you get the final answer, स्पेशली इन स्टेटिस्टिक्स वाले क्वेश्चन, राइट अप्रॉक्स आफ्टर इट, सो दैट अगर तुम्हारी डेसिमल वैल्यूज में कुछ हल्की सी मिस्टेक भी है, द टीचर कैन गिव अवॉर्ड यू फुल मार्क्स फॉर इट. अदरवाइज इफ यू डू नॉट राइट अप्रॉक्स, it will be considered that the exact value is not accurate according to the marking scheme, so तुम्हें उसके marks नहीं मिलेंगे. So better write approx there. I guess that was it for this video. I have covered all the points. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share, and take care of yourselves. Best of luck.